Imagine a world where every recommendation on your For You feed, every line of code generated flows through a single narrow gate. For years, the global AI industry has been a one-way street leading to Nvidia. We've been told their software moat is uncrossable. Developers are so locked into Nvidia's proprietary tools that leaving it is seen as prohibitively expensive. But that moat is shrinking much faster than people realize since Huawei's new chips have entered the market. To understand why this is important, let's talk about what a chip actually is. At its simplest, it's an integrated circuit, a tiny physical brain made of silicon that tells a machine how to think. For decades, we've used CPUs, which are like highly skilled individuals who handle one task at a time. But AI requires different kind of brain specialized chips, like GPUs or NPUs, neural processing units that can perform millions of tiny tasks simultaneously. The reason we need specialized AI chips comes down to efficiency. For the amount of work one dedicated AI processor can do, you would need multiple GPUs or a whole fleet of CPUs to keep up, as there's a massive power draw required to run these models. Think of building AI in two phases. First is training, that's the AI getting a university degree, and Nvidia has owned this university phase for years. But now we've entered the inference phase, akin to a day job. This is the AI actually answering the prompt in real time, where the real world scale happens, and where the monopoly is being challenged. And this is where the new Huawei Ascend 950 PR comes in. Debuting last week inside the Atlas 350 accelerator card, this chip is a specialized inference worker. Huawei claims it offers 2.8 times the compute performance the Nvidia H2O has. It's currently the only AI chip in its region featuring FP4 low precision inference and uses proprietary low cost memory solution that is more cost effective to produce than alternatives in the West. Major tech players like ByteDance, parent company of TikTok, and Alibaba have already finished their testing phases and are moving towards this hardware to diversify their supply chains. Huawei is moving into production next month, April 2026, with aggressive targets of shipping 750,000 units this year alone. By prioritizing software compatibility, it is essentially making it easier for devs to migrate their code away from a single provider without the transition being expensive. It feels like witnessing a fracture in the global AI supply chain. The future of AI is no longer a single global network, but two independent walled off realities operating on a fundamentally different silicon infrastructure.